Hi, I'm Alex Jackson from Tuesday Talk with Alex. I am at Mobility Works in Marietta, Georgia, just north of Atlanta. This is where I go to get the adapted equipment in my vehicle serviced, and my van has been here for the past 3 weeks. I spent some time with some of the employees here at Mobility Works and asked them about what they do to help keep people with disabilities on the road.
Well, I'm able to help people just simply because they come to us needing a solution, and we're able to, as Mobility Works, we're able to offer a solution, sometimes in a different direction than what they may anticipate, but we're able to come up with some pretty phenomenal things.
Formerly known as Handicap Driver Services, the Mobility Works team installs adaptive driving equipment on vans, trucks, and even motorcycles.
Oh, hand controls, EMC equipment, easy locks. We used to do some fabricating. I used to do some of the paint and body work, electrical work, stuff like that.
Well, the technology, just like anything else, is constantly changing. From the time that you got your van to today is a wide range of difference. It changes every day, and with the technology changes, we're also changing lives.
The ability to drive has definitely changed my life. The mechanics ensure my van is in the best condition for me to continue to drive independently.
Makes me feel good. It makes me, make y'all happy, and get customers ask for me when I come in here and stuff like that. Just feel good about it.